In this video, we will be demonstrating how to turn off the Find My Phone feature on the iPhone. Make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi before we begin. First, select Settings. Select your Apple ID account info. Tap on Find My. Tap Find My Phone. And swipe to turn it off. Enter your Apple ID password. Tap Turn Off. Wait until it is deactivated. Once the process is complete, you should receive an email with the change details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for more great deals on smart devices, visit us at phonedaddy.com. Thanks.